Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about CSS icons. So in this video we're going to talk about how we can add icons into our web page. So the best way we can add icons into our web page is by using one of the icon library. Like an example, we have the Font Awesome icon library, and also we have the Bootstrap icon library, and also we can use the Google icons. So first of all, we're gonna see how we can use the Font Awesome icon library. So for that, first of all, we have to add the Font Awesome content delivery network. So this is the CDN address of the Font Awesome. So we have to put that in the head section. So I'll also put that link in the description below. After that, we have to go to fontawesome.com. From here we can search for any specific font of our choice, and also we can browse through and we can choose one icon like the address book. So we have to click on that, and then from here we have to copy the HTML, and then we have to paste that inside our HTML to have that icon onto the web page. And you can see we have the icon displayed on the web page. Similarly, also we can have another icon, like we can have the ambulance icon, and then we have to copy the HTML and we have to paste that, and you can see we have two icons, and this way we can add many icons into our web page. And next we're going to talk about the Bootstrap icon. So first of all, we have to put the Bootstrap CDN or content delivery network URL in the head section. Then we have to go to the site called icons.getbootstrap.com. Here you can see in the icon section we have lots of icons, so we can choose any icon of our choice, and then we have to copy the HTML, and then we have to paste that inside the HTML code, and this way we can have that icon into the web page. Similarly, also we can add another icon. We have to click on the icon and we have to copy the HTML code, and then we have to paste that into our HTML. So this way we can add Bootstrap icon into our web page. And next we have the Google icon. So first of all, we have to put the Google CDN inside the head section, and then after that we have to go to fonts.google.com/icons. So we have to go to the Google icons, and then from here we can search for any specific icon. Like an example, to add the home icon, we have to click on that, and after that we have to copy the HTML, and then we have to paste that inside our HTML code, and you can see we have the home icon inside our web page. And also we can add another icon, like we can add the settings icon. So we have to copy the HTML, and then we have to paste that inside our HTML code. This way we can add multiple icons into our web page. So I'll put the CDN link of all of this icon library into the description. So this is the way we can add the Font Awesome icon, and also we can add the Bootstrap icon, and also we can add the Google icons into our web page. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.